have good news for Uber drivers because you guys are getting a special tax break due to the passing of the new OBBBA law, and that is because that law was never intended for you. However, you got mixed in the middle and you get a break. I'm talking about the no tax on tips law that just passed, and that law was intended for fast food workers, restaurant workers, food service workers, because they make a majority of their money from tips. But service workers and drivers like Uber drivers and other delivery drivers, those people are also benefiting because your tips are also exempt from taxes. There is a limit of how much tips that you can get exempted from tax, and that limit is $25,000. And this is only valid for the year 2025 until 2028, which is Trump's term. So after Trump's term ends, we don't know what's gonna happen with this law. So you just wanna pay attention during that time. I wanna remind you guys that you will still have to pay state income tax. If you're living in New York City, you have to pay city income tax, and then you'll still have to pay Social Security and Medicaid tax. So your net savings on this is really about 10 to 20% of the actual tip amount. So say you make $10,000 in tips for the year, that's about $2,000, maybe $1,500 in tax savings, just to give you that number. There's so much to cover in this new tax law, and I'm making it part by part, so make sure you follow along.